This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data analysis from scratch. First, let's build a solid foundation. Begin by understanding core concepts such as data types, variables, and fundamental statistics. It's crucial to learn how to formulate insightful questions that will effectively guide your analytical process. Developing strong mathematical and logical reasoning skills will serve as the bedrock for all your future data endeavors, setting you up for success. Next, let's dive into the essential tools. Mastering spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, is vital for initial data manipulation and visualization. Then, learn a programming language. Python and R are excellent choices for advanced statistical analysis and machine learning. Don't forget SQL, which is indispensable for efficiently querying and extracting data from large databases, a skill you'll use daily. Now, it's time for practical application. Actively work on real-world projects to solidify your understanding and apply your newly acquired skills. Focus on cleaning, transforming, and visualizing diverse datasets, which will expose you to common challenges. Building a comprehensive portfolio with at least 3 to 5 distinct projects is crucial for demonstrating your analytical capabilities and insights to potential employers. Finally, embrace continuous learning. The field of data analysis evolves rapidly, so staying updated with new tools, techniques, and industry trends is paramount. Consider exploring specialized areas such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, or business intelligence to deepen your expertise. Networking with other data professionals will also provide invaluable insights, mentorship, and potential career opportunities, fostering your ongoing growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.